My name is Ülle Purga. I come from Estonia. I have worked in Estonia in several positions in civil servants, so I have a strong civil service experience. I have worked several years in the field of civil service training, and here with the agency I am working as an expert in the human resource management field. My very honest response is that I was very impressed. I mentioned that I come from Estonia, and the concept of one-stop-shop service centers is very well known in Estonia as well. We are doing pretty fine in this field. But what is different here in Azerbaijan is that you have broadened the concept, and you have this integrated approach where 9 different state agencies provide services under one roof. In Estonia, we are used to have that one-stop shop for one agency or one ministry. So the concept itself was a very positive surprise. But during first couple of days, we visited all 3 ASAN centers in Baku and one in Sumgait. And what I liked mostly was actually the details, that you have paid a lot of attention to small details that maybe are not that important from the point of view of service delivery, but that make the ASAN centers very comfortable and very customer friendly. Details like places for kids to play, details like medical services, details like equipment for handicapped people or for blind people, coffee shops, libraries. All these small details actually made my impression significantly better than in many one-stop shops in my own country. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it can be a very good model. It can be a good model for those countries that are just beginning to develop this kind of approaches. But even for the countries like my own country, Estonia, I would really encourage civil servants to think that how to put service delivery of different agencies under the one roof, because it is definitely more efficient way of delivering services, and I think it's significantly more customer friendly, because people don't need to run to different ministries to look for the services, but they know that there is all kinds of services under one roof. So I think there are very good lessons that can be taught in many European countries as well. I should say I have different thoughts. Yeah, first thing that when I learned more about ASAN centers, I got more impressed by several issues. First, I like very much that the staff is very young. I like very much that I see that employees are committed, employees are enthusiastic, and if people have commitment, then always they can learn to do things.